In today's class, we will learn how you can on 40 in your IELTS listening. Okay, so there are many tips in YouTube, but this is very best tips you can practice, and I can assure you that next time you appear for your IELTS test, you are going to score 40 on 40. Okay, this is my assurance, and let's get started. So this is the typical pattern for your IELTS listening, right? And then I would like to add a few tips over here. So let's first move to the question. See here, first tip I would like to say about listening is about the keywords. Okay? So, in keywords, you have to understand what is keyword in a specific listening or whatever reading task. Okay, here let's see first. Here it is about employment agency, possible jobs. This is our title for the listening. Okay, usually you get one example for that. After that the listening starts, so you know it, right? And then let's move to the question. Then I'll exactly tell you how you can understand a keyword in a task. First job, administrative assistant in a company that produces dash. See here, what is the keyword? There is a company and produces what? Something is this particular company is producing, where it is in North London. So when you hear such things, like these are the keywords you can just keep in mind, and then when you listen to your speaking or the broadcast, then you really understand what comes after this. Okay, understand the keyword. I will again explain one more. Here, responsibilities, go to dash and take notes. So they are saying something about the place. You got it? So you have to find out the place. Okay. So here the place comes. So guess. That's what I'm saying. Like when I went for my IELTS exam, and I always scored 9 on 9. So it was the reason, like I always go for the keywords. Okay, what was the technique I have used for my IELTS? Exactly the same technique I am going to give you guys. Okay, to chase your dreams. So just listen carefully and then understand the keyword. And then management of something you have to manage. So these are the keywords you have to understand when you go for your IELTS, either reading or listening. Okay, and one more example I'll tell you. It is about when attention to. See here, what is that? You have to give attention to something. Okay, what is that something? That's your question. So this is about your keywords in IELTS listening. I'll move to another question, then you will understand. This is a different question where you have multiple choice, like you have to either choose between A, B or C. Okay, so here how you can answer such question is that keyword, when did the street play scheme first take place? So what is the keyword here? Can you guess? Okay, if you are there, you can just message, and its street play scheme first took place. Okay, so here the keyword is street play scheme and first. So you have to understand the year, 2 years ago, 3 years ago, 6 years ago. So this way you have to find your keywords. Here the second keyword, what? How often is Beechwood Road closed to traffic now? Okay, so Beechwood Road. Okay, how often it is closed? That's your keyword. So it is once a week on Saturdays and Sundays, or once a month. Okay, and next, who is responsible for closing the road? Who? They have asked, someone is closing, right? Whether it is a council officer, the police, or the local wardens. So these are the keywords you can of course look for the in your IELTS listening. Okay, I hope you understood what keywords are, how you can find these words in your listening, and grab your scores of 9 on 9. That's my assurance, and Thanks for watching.